Welcome to this video tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how to download Supermarket Simulator. Firstly, make sure your computer is connected to the internet. Then, open your web browser, type Steam into the search bar and press enter. Steam is like a big online store for games. Go to the Steam website. Make sure you have the Steam application installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, you can easily download it by visiting the Steam website and clicking on the Install Steam button. If you don't have a Steam account, you'll need to sign up for an account. Click on the Create a Free Account button and follow the prompts to create your account. You'll be prompted to fill in some details like your email address, preferred username, and password. You'll need to enter your email address. This is the email account you use to send and receive emails. Next, you'll need to choose a username. This is the name you'll use to identify yourself on Steam. Then, you'll need to create a password. Once you've filled in all the details, click the button to create your account. If you already have a Steam account, you can skip this step and proceed to the next. After you've finished setting up your Steam account, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage, which is like a big digital store full of games to explore. In the search bar located at the top right corner of the page, type Supermarket Simulator and press enter. After pressing enter, you'll see a list of search results appear on the screen. Look for the game called Supermarket Simulator in the list. Click on the Supermarket Simulator game icon to open its store page. Here, you'll find information about the game, screenshots, trailers, and reviews. If you're interested in purchasing the game, you'll see a green Add to Cart button. Click on it. After clicking Add to Cart, you'll be taken to your shopping cart where you can review your order. If everything looks good, click on the Purchase for Myself button. You'll then be prompted to choose your payment method and enter your payment details. Once your purchase is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message. Then, click on Library at the top of the page to view your purchased games. Your library is like your personal collection of games, and this is where you can find and play them whenever you want. In your library, you should see Supermarket Simulator listed among your games. Click on it to open its page, and you'll find an Install button. Click on it to begin the installation process and the game will start downloading to your computer. Here, you'll see the progress of the download as it's being downloaded onto your computer. This might take a little while depending on how fast your internet is. Once the download is complete, you'll see a Play button appear on the Supermarket Simulator page in your library. Click on it to launch the game. That's it for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. Bye bye.